Hi kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today what we are going to do is Aag Aag Wali painting. Okay, this is actually the boy who requested me. It is a digital painting, bacha. It is not a natural painting, so there will be a little difference. Okay, so what is it? It is a violin or a guitar, whatever you say. Maybe उसमें भी confuse होती है, violin होता है कि guitar होता है, और उधर से आग 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 निकल रही. Okay, so let us start first. See, I'm using Prakash sir today. First, what we have to do is we have to draw two circles. Now this painting is going to take a very long time to do it, very long time, and you require a lot of earbuds for it. Okay children, so ये हमने ये बना दिया. ये वायलिन होता है कि गिटार होती है, आई डोंट नो. देयर आर ऑल भाई बहन ना, मेरे को नहीं पता ये वायलिन है कि गिटार है. तो उसकी इधर से एक लकड़ी डाल देते हैं, इधर से एक लकड़ी. आई एम यूजिंग प्रकाश सर योर स्केल टुडे. सारी अच्छा, इधर से हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं. मैं पहले एक नॉर्मल सा, नाउ आई एम कंफ्यूज्ड वेदर दिस इज अ गिटार और वेदर इट इज अ वायलिन. इट इज अ बिगर वन और आई डोंट नो, जो भी है भैया. एंड देन यू नीड टू गिव द शेप. द ड्राइंग इज जस्ट इतनी सी, बस इतना सा काम है. ओके, now see children, few things which are very important. You all will leave. See, this is the line which I have made. Now there are certain lines, it has to be black checks. So what we are going to do is, we are going to take scale, leave a little white. See, check this out, and I'm making one black line. Okay, now this is actually the white line, which is not going to get colored at all. I don't know how to I show you. Where's my rubber? मेरी ये pencil pointed नहीं थी इसलिए शायद से. So you're supposed to draw few checks here. Okay, let us draw. Now these checks are actually the strings. So this black part is going to be heavy. The black part is going to be heavy and the white part is going to be light. That means white part सब एक string जितना होना चाहिए. So इसको भी हमको और पतला करना पड़ेगा. See, I'm using a sketch pen children. Remember that. Now this is the string part which we are doing. Use a scale so that you all don't make mistakes. See. अब बीच में से अगर थोड़ा काला काला आ गया तो चलेगा. It will have no problems at all. And this is the part which we are not supposed to color at all, okay? Because if I do this with oil pastel, सब गड़बड़ घोटाला हो जाएगा, सब गड़बड़ घोटाला. Okay? Oh, एक और है, पता ही नहीं चलता. So this one. कितनी वायलिन है कि गिटार है, अभी वो भी मेरे को नहीं मालूम. Okay, so these are the white lines. Now what you're going to do is, from here, now this you can do it yourself like that. Okay, leave a little space. I don't know how much space should be left. If I'm doing it right, इतना space छोड़ के let us color this part. Am I right? I don't know whether I'm right or whether I'm wrong, but still I'm doing it. Can you see this? Okay, so there is one part which we'll have to do it. We'll do it, no props. This is the only part which is a little tricky. Rest all are okay. Now let us do this. Let us do it, and then I will come with the white acrylic color. This is one. Okay, after that what you're going to do is, there's one space out somewhere here also. Okay, now the second one is supposed to be a little more thicker. And then the center one will also be a thick one. थोड़ा सा आंगड़ू आंगड़ू आ रहा है तो भी चलेगा, क्योंकि इसमें से सब आग निकलने वाली है, तो इट विल रियली नॉट मैटर एट ऑल. अभी दिस इज द पार्ट वेर यू आर सपोज टू जॉइन दिस वाइट स्ट्रिंग्स, so that will again be in acrylic, which will come later on. First let's us color the entire thing. You need not do anything else in this. Now what colors which you require is, we will start with the violin ka idhar ka part. I'll show you. See, the colors which you require is all your shades of red, children, all your shades of red. See, this is my red. I'll require Gandewala brown. I will require black as a major color. I will require brown. I will require yellow. Ochre. I will require my yellow, and I'll require my fluorescent yellow. This is my fluorescent. Yes, it is my fluorescent yellow. And I might require my deep yellow color. Okay, or orange, deep yellow, orange, scarlet. All shades, and yes, we will require white too. So let us start first. Okay, so we will start with the violin part. Just concentrate on the violin part now. अभी ये violin part करने के लिए पहले तो तुम अपने colors को अच्छे से साफ कर देना. I am having a little green on my color which I need to clean it. I was shading with green. See, now this is the fluorescent color which I just do it here. I just do it here. You just have to do it the way you want it to be done. Okay, and then the fluorescent color will go just outside the guitar. Okay, just outside the guitar here, and there will be few flames like that, so that you can do it the way you want to do it. That is no issues. And then few flames go out here, and there are many here. Now you will take your orange color now, children. See, you have to keep on playing with colors in this and nothing else. It is the way you play with your colors. Now I've taken my ochre color and I've taken my orange color. Concentrate only on this. Okay, you're putting a little bit of orange here, orange inside here. Okay, this is the way it will go. Some waves will go here. Now this part is orange, this part is yellow too. Okay, let the waves travel. Now this is a little bit of orange here with lots and lots of waves. It is going to be a tricky one. Can you see the waves traveling? You know, if it is not going to come nice, I'm not going to post it, and I'm going to say a big sorry if I cannot do it. But I try to do the things which some child has told me to do it. See, these are just the waves which I'm removing, and then they will go like that. Here also they will go like that. You have a lot of smudging part to be done. Then you take your reds, you put your reds, and the flames go zoom, 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 zoom. Now the flames go zoom, 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 zoom. And then there will be lots and lots of flames here with red. But you will have to play more with orange rather, not with red. So the flames are going like that. They are the orange ones. Okay. Now the major role will be of black, children. The major role is of black. I'll show you. Now this is what is orange color which I'm putting. Okay. Now after this you're going to take, first you take your earbud, children, and try to smudge this color. Don't smudge it very hard, just try to do it in a very minimum way. Very minimum way. The magic is all of black, children. Remember, the magic is with black. Okay, I will keep it aside, and now you take your black. The first thing what you're going to do is, see, it is not necessary you'll do it completely ऐसा काला 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 काला, बहुत दबा दबा के मत करना, क्योंकि as it is we have to smudge it. So first you concentrate only on your guitar. So few flames going inside, but this has to be done later on because we're going to as it is smudge it. Now you can take your finger or your earbud. Earbud would be preferred here. Okay, just take your earbud and keep on. First do it only on your blacks. Only on your blacks. I feel my finger is better. Oof. This is a challenging drawing which I had to make. See, if it takes a very long time, I will remove my voice and just put a soft music behind. Okay, so you all will have to bear with the music. Now this is the arg. Playing with the entire thing. Now you have to take your bright colors, children, and play with the yellows, majorly with the yellows. Let the yellows go in the black. Now this was orange, the scarlet color. Now the scarlet color will take its position here too. Now the red will enter. Your yellows. Then will come the browns and the reds and the maroons. Keep playing with the colors. See, this is a drawing. If you think there is some tact to do it and it will happen it in a very easy way, it is not just possible, because this is the way you have to play with colors in this, particularly in this drawing. So वो आर्क टाइप इफेक्ट आएगा, और वो आर्क टाइप इफेक्ट जब भी आएगा जब आप काला करोगे. अगर आप सिर्फ ये रेड्स वगैरह से खेलने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो आग इफेक्ट नहीं आएगी. तुमको बहुत कलर घसना पड़ेगा till you get your effect. Now see, this violin has a very this line, what you call a clear cut line of fluorescent, which I'm just removing the color. See, so this was the way it was there. Now you put your fingers and you keep on smudging the colors. अभी ये कलर्स के ऊपर भी हमारा वाइट एक्रेलिक आएगा, सो यू ऑल विल अंडरस्टैंड द ब्यूटी ऑफ द कलर हियर. नाउ सिंस दिस इज डन, अभी इसको ऐसे गोल गोल कर दिया. अभी इसमें हमको ब्लैक करना है, ब्लैक हुआ नहीं है. ब्लैक करने के लिए आई विल टेल यू हाउ यू ऑल हैव टू गो. फर्स्ट यू ऑल हैव टू टेक योर ब्राउन्स चिल्ड्रन एंड यू एंटर योर ब्राउन्स इनसाइड. ऐसे वांगड़ू 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 करके है ना, ये ऐसे 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 ऐसे, ये आग है. सो जब आग होती है तो क्या होता है, द कलर्स डोंट चेंज ऑटोमेटिकली डायरेक्टली टू ब्लैक. सो you have to jump for the colors. Here it is major of yellow, so let us give yellow. So this is yellow 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 yellow, gunchi 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 pinchi gunchi pinchi gunchi pinchi gunchi pinchi gunchi pinchi ga 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 ga. Okay, oh my gosh. अभी थोड़ा सा हम लोग को रेड भी लेना है, क्योंकि आग है ना, आग में से लाल आग निकलती है. इट इज़ ऑलवेज रेडिश इन कलर. कीप ऑन ब्रिंगिंग इट इनसाइड समवेयर. See, I'm just shaking my hands. I also don't know where my hand is going to go, but still I'm doing it. Okay. Now listen very carefully. We have few flames of yellow here. So what we are going to do is, we can take this color, and first what you have to do is just, oh my gosh, give a tint of yellow behind. और ये कलर दबा दबा के घसीट घसीट के करना है बच्चा पार्टी, सिर्फ ऐसे नहीं करना है. द पेंटिंग विच यू सेंड हियर इज अ डिजिटल आर्ट child. This is not a digital art. This is done with hand. Now I've taken my black color and I'm going to do the black color, and I'm going to put red and brown again on black. So there is a lot of mehnat. Oh, I'll have to remove the cover of black. ओके तो मैं ये सुलाकर ब्लैक कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली तो हमको इसको घसना ही है, घस के हमको उसको वो इफेक्ट देना है. सी, दिस इज ब्लैक विच आई हैव डन हियर. योर इफेक्ट्स विल नॉट कम अनलेस एंड अंटिल यू डोंट डू ब्लैक. Even I don't know whether my effects are coming or no, but I am trying my best, Dhairya, to do it and teach it to you. Now, you take your finger, or if you all want, you all can take a cloth or whatever you all wish to. अब ये ब्लैक को हमको ऐसे अंदर घमपच्चा करना है, so that there is no white spots left on black. But this is not the end, okay? This is not the end. ये सब हम लोग इसको समतल कर रहे हैं. Oh my God. You know, today actually I don't sleep in the afternoon, but today I went off to sleep in the afternoon. I had a little time and I slept so गहरी नींद कि मेरे को अभी उठ के ये करने का दिल नहीं कर रहा था. फिर मैंने बोला नहीं करती हूँ, किसी बच्चे को प्रॉमिस किया है तो. Now you take your reds. Minded children, you all can take orange also, but reds and blacks merge very well. See. Correct? Now again you have to clean your hands, children. Clean your hands. Oof. And there's a little bit of acrylic work which you will have to do. Acrylic or poster, whatever you say. Now this is the dhua of red. You have to keep on turning guchi 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 karte hue. This is nothing but the dhua. Okay, now if you wish you can take a little yellow color. Yellows won't look nice, so we should forget those yellow colors. Smudge everything very nicely here. Now there is some aag ki lapte which is going here, so let's do that. We have already done. So the aag ki lapte, you just have to scrape it with your nails or your scraper, children. ओके ये सब आग की लपटे, ये धुआं निकल रहा है इधर इधर से, और किधर किधर हमको सॉरी ये ऐसे रेड भी करना पड़ेगा वापस. सो हम लोग वो रेड कर देंगे. अगर रेड नहीं तो यू कैन टेक योर लाइट ऑरेंज एंड ट्राई टू डू दिस, showing a little bit of dhua. So this is the lapte of this color which is going. Now see, there's something very tricky to be done. थोड़ा सा ही सिर्फ ऐसे ऐसे गोल गोल घुमा दो ये ब्लैक कलर को. देखो ये ब्लैक कलर को हमने हल्का हल्का इधर इधर गोल गोल घुमाया, इधर जैसे इधर वायलिन पे. अभी यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक योर फिंगर और एकदम झका झका नहीं करने का, सिर्फ ऐसे हल्का हल्का घुमा देने का. ओके, सिर्फ हल्का घुमाना है, ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. सो दिस इज़ द वे जो आग की लपटें हैं वो निकल रही है. See, there are certain colors, you know, which can be done again. Now I'll just off my video and go and get my acrylic color, children, and I'll show you the violin ka strings which are to be done here. Okay, there is a little yellow white yellow part which is to be done here. So just give me 1 second, I'll come back. Okay children, I've got my white here, but before doing my white, what we need to do is put a little dots over here, correct? So I bought my yellow color also, and I'm just putting a line here. Okay, this is just a yellow line which has been put here, and after doing this yellow line we need to put 1 2 3 4 5 6 जितने भी करने हैं वो कर सकते हो. उसके बाद क्या करना है, बैक साइड ऑफ द ब्रश से उसके अंदर का खड्डा करना है. दिस खड्डा कैन बी ऑल्सो डन आफ्टर दिस ड्राइज. ओके, एंड दिस इनसाइड का ये खड्डा. नाउ just clean your this brush. And we need to do the white taniya of the guitar or the violin or the जो भी है. So इधर से हम extend करते हुए इसको ऐसे लेकर आ रहे हैं. We don't have to show it completely, we just have to do it नकली नकली का. Okay, कोई मोटी आएगी, कोई पतली आएगी, कोई छोटी आएगी, इट्स ऑल ओके. देखा थोड़ी सी और मोटी आ गई, बट नो प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट वी कैन डू इज वी कैन जस्ट रिमूव इट विद अ क्लॉथ. My brushes have gone bad in this lockdown. I'm not even purchased any brushes. 2 years. And they have all become with that कुत्ते का कान. So all gone. अभी इधर जो खराब हो गया उसकी कोई चिंता नहीं करने की, उधर ऐसे रेड डाल देने का. थोड़ा सा चिंता करायचं नाही, कधी पण करायचं नाही. You just keep on doing. Now this is your violin which is almost done but not completely done. What am I going to do is, since I have a little yellow with me, so I'm just putting a few flames here coming out. So you can do this even with a earbud. You really don't require, but use a clean side of the earbud. Okay, so the flames which are coming out from here, if you feel there are less flames coming out, you all can use this earbud. Take the flames inside. This is a very beautiful way to do it, because as it is, see, this is only the yellow ones, not the other ones. इसकी फ्लेम्स को हम लोग थोड़ा सा और निकाल देते हैं. I'm just taking a little acrylic color and putting it and showing you the flames, re-showing you the flames in fact. ठीक है ना? तो ये वायलिन से जो आग निकल रही है वो तुमको अच्छे से दिख जाएगी. इधर भी चाहिए तो ऐसे घुंची पुंची कर सकते हो, showing the little lights, but I don't think so this will look nice, but this will look definitely good. So you can keep on doing it. You can take even more color. इधर इधर जहाँ पर हमको ज़्यादा whites में दिखाना है इधर दिखाना है. तो I'll just take a little more color on my earbud. Okay, इधर से flames दिखानी है ना, घूमते हुए जा रही है. So ये इधर भी कर सकते हो तुम लोग. इधर से फ्लेम्स निकल रही हैं, और किधर से फ्लेम्स निकल रही है, इधर से निकल रही है. सो किधर से भी, जिधर से तुमको फ्लेम्स निकालनी है बस you just have to take your earbud, you just have to take this what do you call acrylic color, yellow acrylic color if you all are having, and just put the flames on. So it is almost done children. ये जो white lines जो सही नहीं लग रही है उसको मैं अच्छे से सही करके then I'll post it. See, I will be scraping it like that wherever the lines have gone bad. Okay, there is one little part which is not very neat and tidy here, so what I will do is I'm going to put a little bit of flames here too, so पता नहीं चलेगा, है ना? जहाँ से भी खराब हुआ वहाँ पर flames डाल देना. So it will all be set and done well. No need for any, you know, this part can be done very well with acrylic colors. The way we have used our oil pastels, similarly you can do your colors with acrylic colors. Just see to that the border of the violin looks very bright. Violin है कि गिटार है मेरे को नहीं मालूम, जो भी है. Okay, and there is one thing more which you are supposed to do is there are certain black parts also which need to be done well. इधर तो ऐसे white lines ही छोड़ दो तो वो better रहेगा. अभी इधर हमको दिस इज ऑल शो पट्टियाँ, नथिंग ऐसे कुछ एकदम जरूरी काम नहीं है. ये ऐसे ही हम लोग टाइम पास के लिए कर रहे हैं, सिर्फ ऐसे ही शो करने के लिए. करना है करो, नहीं करना मत करो, कोई कंपल्सरी नहीं है. जस्ट कीप ऑन डूइंग इन सच अ वे दैट योर ड्राइंग लुक्स प्रिटी. इट इज़ हार्डली एनीथिंग टू बी डन. सो बाय, enjoy violin, do your violin or a guitar. मेरे को कमेंट बॉक्स में प्लीज़ लिख के देना ये गिटार है कि वायलिन है. हाँ प्लीज़, हाँ प्लीज़, इतनी मेहरबानी कर देना, क्योंकि मेरे को ही नहीं समझ में आता. मैं वायलिन, गिटार, इन सब में बड़ी कंफ्यूज होती है. आई एम जस्ट, आई थिंक सो मेरा इधर थोड़ा सा गंदा दिख रहा है तो मैं उसको थोड़ा सा सच्ची का सही करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. सो बाय टिल देन चिल्ड्रन, एंजॉय दिस. गिटार है कि वायलिन है, मैं अपना टॉपिक कैसे दूंगी? आई हैव टू चेक द नेट फर्स्ट. बाय बाय.